Okay, we're gonna open a package.
Yeah, I found this. Let's open it. You're also very next to the scissors and sitting there. It looks like you have scissors.
Mm.
No.
Okay, then the
So,
package name
this
is?
Susari. Susari.
Okay.
We have opened many packages before. So let's open this. Ah. Why is the corner so hard? Corner so hard. Ew. Oh gosh.
What's inside the package?
We also have common, rare, epic, legendary. Let's hope we get legendary. One part out. Get this out. Get this out. Get this.
Baka makagupit mo yung package.
I did go pit it, but nobody asked that.
Okay.
No, you must.
Nagupit mo yung package.
I accidentally, okay, guys? Make sure to not get it from the side. Everything's at the baba. I literally broke the pack. We got a sticker! How do you do? Sticker. This one. There you go. There's the sticker. It doesn't show there, okay?
Okay.
So it's still fine.
Ano pa yan? You get, what I get? The comment.
Rare.
It's a rare.
Yeah.
Pakita mo sa camera. Pakita sa
It is a rare because I didn't want to color it because I was lazy. I decided to make all of them gray. So yeah. Rare. Our first rare. So let me see. A menu is kind of gupit, but at least.
Pakita ka sa camera. Hindi nakita sa camera.
At least. I couldn't.
Ano yan?
I cut the checklist. I have cut the checklist. So we got these sushi. We have to get.
Sushi ba yan?
Yeah. It's very rare to get this one because this is the legendary. But let us hope. Oh. No menu. The menu.
Kami na.
I don't want to open. Okay. I think I have broke tape instead of the package.
What's inside? Hindi, sirain mo na.
I'm ripping it. Oh, it's so small. No way! We got the legendary!
Legendary ba yan?
Yeah, the legendary. Look.
Patingin.
I said the legendary is this one, diba?
Okay. Oo nga.
So yeah, we're gonna place it right over there. We also got this. This one is here. Okay, we got the legendary and epic. I think it always comes in one box, all of those. I think place it all.
Pa,
I got two. Let me place all of the trash over here. Let's see. It's small, so I have to be careful. I have to be careful where I cut. Since I already go put my stuff. You got the last two. You got a rare uncommon. Ta-da.
yeah, common.
Yeah.
Yan, rare.
We got all of them.
Congrats!
So I think I'm gonna make another one. So guys, you could also look at the experience so if you want to make your own too.
Okay. Invite mo
So,
sila. Invite mo
let's-
sila.
Let's